This is August 5th, 2020, and this is an inner courtyard of my home, which was designed like this back in 1967 to be a place to sit that has a light in it. It's all based on a Japanese motif, and I wanted, the tree's grown up after 50 years. Beautiful tree, we want to keep it, but I'm going to lift these blocks up with this pry bar and hopefully cut the roots and place everything back into place. We had an expert concrete person come over. They wanted $15,000 to do all this work, and I didn't know that lawn architecture cost that much. But I'm going to try and lift up these blocks, move them, cut the roots out underneath of this tree without killing the tree, because it's a beautiful tree. And if I can get the one block in order, then I'm going to move to this love seat deal over here. This is a granite seat that was put in with the house in 1967. There are two more of these seats in the back of the house with a concrete pad like this, except there's a Japanese fire pit right in the middle. So I'm going to see what I can do with a little bit of leverage and a little bit of work, and see if I can save $15,000.